equity markets are set to open in less than 10 minutes time, and perhaps this is going to be one stock that you should be looking at. CP Foods shares reacting to news that second quarter earnings plunged to 60%. Shrimp disease as well as lower income from abroad resulted in net profit of only 1.6 billion Thai baht. Charan Popcorn Foods, CPF. Nirgunan Tiruchelvam has plenty of thoughts about this company and many more equity strategists at Standard Chartered Bank. So there seems to be a bit of a chicken fever going on in terms of your key equity calls over in Taiwan. So it's outperformed. You put it at a price target of 30.38 baht.
Yes.
Is this really a case of all the bad news is done and we focus on the big bread and butter of things, which is chicken?
That's correct. We have followed chicken or meat consumption patterns in a number of countries. We've followed it in 109 countries. And we find that when a country becomes more prosperous, meat consumption accelerates. When it crosses a certain inflection point, when a country crosses the inflection point of $5,000 per capita in terms of its income per capita, there is an acceleration of meat consumption in excess of GDP growth. And that is precisely the inflection point that Thailand is about to cross.
Yeah, I see. And CPF is also one of the largest even meat players in China. And of course, meat consumption is a key feature among Chinese palates as well, right?
That's correct. Chicken in particular is particularly relevant for an emerging economy because it has the lowest feed conversion ratio among some of its competing products. And therefore, for a country that is rising in prosperity, it is intensely relevant. Specifically with regards to the situation in Thailand, we find that some of the bad news has already been factored in to the prices of some of these chicken players. Therefore, we feel that we are in the offing for a turnaround in their prospects.
Oh, interesting. And another company with a key feature in terms of chicken, Jaffa Confit Indonesia, outperformed as well. Target price INR 5,800. Tell us why this company is also going to benefit from this revival, this resurgent demand for chicken.
Well, the important thing to note about Jaffa Confit or any chicken player in Indonesia is that chicken is the cheapest form of animal protein. It is also an intensely halal compliant product. Therefore, the stock or the product is very relevant for a country like Indonesia, which is the largest Muslim country in the world.
Yeah, also has a dividend yield of 7.8%. Is this more of a dividend play, or are you looking at this more as a growth stock?
Well, the main thing to note is that in an emerging economy, if you invest in some of these chicken stocks, you are likely to